Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and my hair is just drying with this Kristin Ess Curl Defining Jelly. I love this stuff. This curl defining jelly, it looks, feels, and smells luxurious. I love the smell of this product. It's not overpowering or too strong or perfumey, but it smells so good. Even other people compliment me on the smell. Now, what I'll do is I'll just take a few pumps when my hair is wet, towel dried, and I will just rub it through my hair. I'll scrunch my hair and then I'll let it air dry. After I let it air dry, I'm left with curls that are feeling lightweight, they're defined, and they're not crunchy at all. I live in a really humid environment, and I find that this curl jelly really helps to define my curls. They're fine to medium, and it doesn't weigh them down. So if you're looking for a way to define your curls, to give them hydration, definitely try this out by Kristin Ess. I think it is a super jelly. I really like it, and that's my point of view.